Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can send an audio message on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to open up the text messaging app. Okay, next, you want to either start a new conversation or you can reply to an existing conversation. And when you're ready to send an audio message, you tap on this audio button in your text message text field. So touch and hold, and then you can start speaking. After that, you can let go. Now you can replay your audio message before sending. If you're not happy with the audio message, you can tap on the cancel button, or you can tap on the send button at the top to send out the audio message. Okay, as soon as you have finished sending the audio message, then it gets deleted straight away to save some storage space on your device. And here you can see on the other device that I have on a different account, if I open up my text message, you can see it gets sent to my account. I can play on it. And then you can start speaking. And after that, I can choose to keep or not to keep. If I tap on keep button, then on my phone, it will tell me that test kept an audio message from you. So if the other person tries to save your audio message, it will notify you as well. And that's it. So that's how you can send an audio message on your iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.